Hi, my amazing planner friends. It's Jess from My Magical Planner, and today we're going to go through my December kit lineup so you can kind of see what's coming. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and put this in a pile for me, and we're going to start with my December monthly kit. So this is from Sadies Stickers. This will be the last kit in this format. She did a reformat all of her kits, I think, starting with January. It has a beautiful rose gold foiling to it and just a very classic feel. So you have both, these are your two header boxes that go across the top, and then these are full boxes to fill in those spaces at the beginning or end of the month. So you have that one, and then here's your functional page. So you have these full boxes, you have half boxes, fourth boxes, and third boxes to kind of fill in whatever you need. These are more full boxes to use, and then you have a little bit of deco in the corner. We'll finish this first. So here is the other page of her kit, because it's pretty much a 3-page kit. So you have all of your numbers at the top here, and then these are layering and just solid colored boxes to use throughout the month. And then I did get the checklist sidebar. You have the option to get a floral sidebar as well. That is reformatted so you don't have this one-off little strip now. In addition to that, I did get both the weekly deco and the monthly deco, which are both very pretty. I love the fact that you get these shaped boxes at the bottom. These work perfectly in my monthly setup for me. And then this also has washi on here, so you have 3 different size strips, probably a 15, a 10, and a 5 there, as well as these bigger pieces of deco. So that's my monthly kit. And then for the first week of December, which starts November 29th and goes through December 5th, I've chosen this Miss Meow kit. It's called Evergreen. So here's the deco sheet, which comes extra. So, and then you have these beautiful full boxes. I especially love this Reindeer Express little postmark here and the sleigh. And I love how you have like the snowflakes hanging. The hot chocolate is just so perfect. And then you have these foiled chocolate chip cookies. So, so pretty. And then her kits have these header boxes with the scalloped edge on the bottom. So we have this week, important, and next week down there. And then we have our day headers here. These are just regular headers in 3 different styles. You have more of those little boxes at the bottom that say work, school, and needs. Sorry, I had to think there for a minute. And then you have all of these beautiful icons. You have heart checklist, and we have these cute little arrows and a couple of decorative headers. Here's our bottom washi. I love that we have a thicker washi and a thinner washi. I think they kind of look really awesome together. We have a couple of habit trackers, a checklist, and then your day of the week list here. A probably 3rd box here, and then a couple of layering icons there. And then our final page is your functional page. So you have circles at the top, you have little swatches, you have these boxes, and then you have, I think, 2 rows of 3rd boxes, a row of, wait, hold on. So maybe these are 4th and these are 3rds, and then these are halves, because I think these are a little bit bigger. So that's all there is to the Evergreen Kit. And then for the week of December 13th through the 19th, no, sorry. For the week of December 6th through the 12th, I have this Christmas time kit from Hello Petite Paper. And this has some, these are her deco, and then this little add-on page you could also order with it. And then here is the kit itself. I really love especially the square and the use of the greens. I'm really into fireplaces. I think they're amazing. So this is very old time Christmassy, it felt like. You know, I'm really big into my black and white movies. You know, I'm a big fan of White Christmas and just all of the really, really old Christmas movies. So this is what I think of when I think Christmas. So it was super fun to see her design. So you have half boxes down here. You have third boxes and fourth boxes, a checklist. You have some really interesting shaped boxes, some with scallops, 2 habit trackers, 2 more, I want to say those are third boxes. Your days of the week are here, and then you have these faux glitter headers down here. There's 2 in each color there. And then you have some longer checklist. Here you have some beautiful flags in different varieties. I especially love this one. So, so cute. And these with the snowflakes, amazing. You have a couple of icons, the weekend script, some arrows, and some flags that say payday and day off. You have bill dues, and then these 4th size boxes here. And then on the final page, you have some corner elements here, a cute bow. You have the half scallop circles, your bottom washi, which again comes in a larger size and a smaller size, which together just look amazing. And then you have your Monday through Sunday tracker there. So I think those combined with these are going to be amazing. I've been wanting to try out one of the Polaroid boxes, so I'm super excited about that. Okay, and then for the week of, let's see here if I can get it right, the 13th through the 19th, I have a second Miss Meow kit because I absolutely adored her designs for winter. So this is the deco sheet. The kit's called Snuggle. And you just have these really beautiful florals in so many different designs. And then it says Warmest Wishes here, which is the name of the kit. Oh, so this deco was for Snuggle, and then this is Warmest Wishes. Which this is probably the deco that goes to Warmest Wishes, because I can see the mittens. Anyhow. And then I love this box with the snowflakes at the top and then the chair by the fireplace. I think it looks amazing. I love these florals here and like the mittens with the evergreens coming out. I thought it looked really cool. And then of course you have the presents. So same as the other Miss Meow kit, you have your days of the week here. You have headers down here, work, school, meals. Oh, maybe that's what the other one said. It was meals. I don't remember what I said, but her script is so cursive that the other one, it was a little harder for me to read for some reason. You have our Hello Weekend and all of your icons, and then your beautiful layering stuff, which when I saw this box right here, this was like sold. It's a little pink figure skate, and we spend so much time at the rink. Yeah. And I love that we have like full-on circles. That's really cool. And here's our bottom washi with the snowflakes and then this little cream divider. Love that our checklist has snowflakes too. So, so cute. And her silver foil, I don't know, it looks a little different than other people's silver foil. It's just more reflective almost. Maybe it's because there's more of it. I don't know. But it's super pretty. Her kits are a little bit more expensive, but if you catch them on sale, it's kind of amazing. My dad pulled out this Miss Meow little tags. I think I ordered this at the same time as the other, and I put it in with this Harriet Wright Designs kit that I'm planning on using for the week of Christmas, which is December 20th through the 26th. This is called Cold Days, and this box, like the double black scene right here, I so want that to be my house someday. It is just like everything that I love in like home decor right there. So I love that. I love this one with the hot chocolate and like the reading atmosphere. You have a second type of fireplace here, close up of the hot chocolate, like some cozy pajamas, and then some really pretty floral plus the Cold Days warm hearts. I thought this theme was perfect for Christmas Eve. So here is the deco that goes with it, which I really love. And then here are your functional boxes. I love that we get these little swatches because they're perfect if you want to layer on one of these type boxes that are darker or have more pattern to them, and it really helps kind of focus like where your wording is so it doesn't get lost in the picture. And then here is your headers at the top here. You have your days of the week checklist here, as well as just a bow checklist. And I'm in love with this little box right here. I want that to be my office. Although I would probably keep my lazy boy desk chair. I did discover, I used one of her kits either last week or the week before, and I had been saying that the size difference in the icons wasn't working for me. In all reality, like using them together looked really nice. So here is the bottom washi, which is very, very pretty. I love the like different things throughout it, and I love this gray one here too. And then you have some thinner washi on the sides. These are great for layering on your month stickers or things like that. You have your 3 bow checklists, which are always my favorite, and your days of the week. So that is my plan for Christmas. And then I'm also going to use a Harriet Wright Designs kit for New Year's Eve and that whole week. So this is the last subscription kit that I got, just because I wanted to take a break and reevaluate what I need in the new year. So I absolutely love her mystery kits though. So it comes with these functional boxes. You have bow headers, more functional boxes. And then I have different girls to pick from here. And we have deco and icons that are on this beautiful blue paper. And then this is the kit. It's a Cinderella kit, which feels perfect for New Year's because that whole strike midnight thing. So we have, of course, the castle. It looks like Cinderella's castle. We have Cinderella here. We have her shoe. We have these beautiful floral boxes. We have Bippity Boppity Boo and like a really cute bed with a little mouse on it, symbolizing all the little mice. And they're looking up at the clock going, it's 5 minutes to midnight. Oh no! So it's so cute. And then of course you have all the Cinderella and Disney elements over here. I will say that her paper is so incredibly thick. I constantly think I have more than one sheet when I only have one. So we have the Be Kind checklist here. And then we have, these are, instead of the, what is it, 5 or 6? 6 here. These are 3 bow checklists. You have the one with the scallops, and these also have, this one has scallops on both sides, and then these ones only have it on one side. You have some third box, no, wait. I always get confused between the 4th and the 3rd. Have you noticed? Because I need to see them next to each other in order to tell you. But I think these are 4th boxes, these are 3rd, and these are halves. These might be halves as well. So super cute design. And then you have your today's, to-dos, important next week dinner goals, exercise habits, to clean, and you have 7 of the fork and knife. You have 2 of the little asterisk stars, 2 alarm clocks, or maybe just for an appointment. You have 2 computers, a piece of mail, and a package. You have 2 habit trackers, 3 bill dues, and then 2 of these really tiny bow header things to put stuff on. And then you have your checklist, which look amazing. These are 5 bow checklist, and then you have your days of the week, 3 bow checklist, layering elements, headers. In here, there's usually circles. So sometimes it's octagons, but no, these are circles this month. And then you have these icons to work with. And then you have the bottom washies, which look amazing. You also get the addition of these 2 little, they're like 3mm washies. And then you have these arrows that say work, to do, and you have a blank one, a weekend, some bows, and then an alternate skin tone box. So that is all of my kits for December. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I hope it inspires you to pick your own kits. And if you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button over there. And until next time, I'll see you guys real soon.